Viewers from Islands of Adventure, Happy New Year. The theme music is back, no more Christmas, which is good news for Islands of Adventure because we all love that theme music. Velocicoaster's testing. There's lights on that you can spot from here. Lights on the train have been seen. There's a lot more walls down. We'll take a walk around the park, see everything that has changed, and we'll go ahead and try to get some shots of these trains lights on at night. You can see right in the center of the frame lights on that brake run. So let's take a walk around as it goes again and see what else we can spot that has changed in the past month. As we stroll through Jurassic Park, we can see that there's some more walls down in this area. So this whole merchandise area is exposed with nice bushes and trees and plants. So that part looks good. Still some walls up around to the left. All four LSMs now in place up there. So all those lights in the headrest are very directed straight ahead, so they look really nice on the back of every single seat. There's not actually lights on the back of every car, but with those lights shining right on those seats, it really looks nice from behind too.